Hey guys, CPT Mechanic here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air and cabin filter on a Seat Ibiza 1.9 TDI. The same will apply to the VW Polo 9N. Let's get cracking. Right, so in the passenger footwell, let's go to the cabin filter location. There's the little cassette held on with two plastic clamps. Very easy to find. So for accessibility, let's pop off the plastic panel held on with T15 Torx screws. The screws are removed. Let's pop the panel off. And let's go to the cabin filter. So to remove the cartridge, just slide the tabs to the center. And the little cover will pop off. There you can see the old cabin filter with various dust, leaves, and debris stuck in. So it did its job. It's quite filthy. Let's just pop it out. And there you can see all the sediment on the mat. Pretty disgusting. And here's the new cabin filter and old cabin filter side by side. So let's remove the little frame from the old filter. Pop the old filter out. And let's give it a quick wipe down. Make sure it's clean and neat. You don't want any old dust going in. And let's pop the new cabin filter into the little frame. Making sure it's snug and secure. So guys, you have to make sure your cabin filter is slotted perfectly in the frame. If it's not perfectly set in the frame, it will not slide back into the cartridge. You will have installation issues. And here's the old VW cabin filter with the logo on. I wonder if it's a 19-year-old cabin filter. I wonder if it's ever been replaced. Anyway, let's put the frame back into the cartridge with a new cabin filter. And it's best practice to replace the cabin filter every 15 to 30,000 Ks or every second service. Should be fine. This will ensure good airflow through your air vents. It won't smell musty as well. So let's slide the locking tabs back on again, making sure it's seated. And let's pop the plastic cover back into place again, held on with the T15 Torx screws. So this is only going into plastic, guys. Please don't over tighten it, otherwise you will strip the threads. And the cover will not be held on. You can guarantee that. So just hand tightening. That's perfectly fine. There we go. So let's move to the front of the car, the engine bay. The air filter is held on with two screws and clipped in at the back as well. So let's use a Phillips or star screwdriver to loosen the two screws. That's the first one out. And that's the second one out. And let's loosen the MAF sense as well. Otherwise the airbox lid won't lift off properly. So, airbox lid off. Let's pop out the old air filter. And guys, if you're enjoying the videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you want to see more videos in future. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys are superstars. Right, old air filter out. Let's take a listen how the car sounds without an air filter. Yeah, proper tractor noise. Old school diesel. Anyway, we move on. Right, so this is the new and old air filter compared side by side. The old air filter is looking very dirty. So it's been used, well used. Right, let's pop in the new air filter. And it's best practice to replace this also every 15 to 30,000 Ks or every second service should be fine as well. Very similar to the cabin filter. Okay, so the new air filter in and the box secured. Let's pop on the two Phillips screws again. Making sure it's snug and secure. And don't forget your MAF sensor, guys. Otherwise you will have running issues. And guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope to catch you in the next video. Cheers and keep well.